Hello, my name is Juan Steven Benavides. The best destination to Salvajina, place where you be happy, occasional travels. Travels agents around the world. You can live new experience in Salvajina Suarez Cauca, where you can feel housing, food, train, transport, and activities to be happy. In Salvajina. In Salvajina activities, I can imagine living and where else on the tent de Salvajina. Enjoy and beautiful waterfalls and traveling with boat. Typical dish of the region and delicious fried fish in the central part of Salvajina. Plus you can study if and stays and home away never. High campament Vitae Rive or study at the Salvajina Hotel. Travel parts of the price of 500,000 pesos and exclusive. We wait for you. Thank you.